In this video, I'm going to show you a nifty node that you may not be aware of in n8n that'll allow you to figure out where your workflows are breaking without having to go into your executions or not having to go into the actual workflows themselves, or even just noticing that it's missing, or even worse, having a client let you know that it broke. So yeah, this will allow you to be able to do work for clients and get notified when their things break so you can go fix it before they even know it's broken. All right, and that's called the error trigger node. Now, if you watched my video on the trigger nodes in n8n, I showed you where that is, but you just come down to the triggers, come over to other ways, and you'll see it's here under error triggers. And this is a simple workflow that I set up. I'm going to go ahead and give it away in my free school community, but it's just got an edit field node here that we're just going to send a message. We're going to say which workflow broke. We're going to say it failed to run. We're going to give the URL of the actual execution that it broke. So you can go directly to the execution, find what input data was coming in, what happened, what broke exactly. It's going to give you the node that it broke at, as well as the error message from the bot, and just says, be sure to check it. And then we're going to go ahead and just send us an email. So I just have it set up with my Gmail credentials. I'm going to send it to myself for this test. I mean, pretty much all my errors come directly to me from my own workflow. So this is pretty much how I have it set up. And then our message is just an HTML message with a JSON.message. Now I have a workflow set up over here. It's one I'm going to be making another video on today. So it's already active. And I'm just going to go ahead and see if it works. Like, hey, update the contact for Chase. Go ahead and close that. And we'll notice nothing's going to happen. In fact, nothing's going to happen if I wait a long time because it's broken. I intentionally broke it. I have an invalid syntax right here. I have 2 dots rather than just 1 dot for my JSON.text. In fact, if I come to executions, you'll see, oh no, it's broken. And it's broken exactly for that reason. So invalid syntax, it's not going to work. If I come back to my bug report bot here, it's going to go ahead and say, oh, look, it ran just a moment ago. Today is June 7th. It's now 8:32. So this was just when I ran. We come in here and we'll see that, oh, yes, an invalid syntax message for the bot that I just tried to run, the contact database agent. It's exactly what I expected. And if I come to my emails, we'll see, oh, Neil Patel there. We got an email from myself, error in workflow. It stopped working. Contact database agent. Looks like my emoji didn't work. It's funny, but it's invalid syntax. Be sure to check it. All right, so let's go back here real quick. We'll actually come to this workflow here, and I'll show you how I set it up. So in order to set up the error trigger node and get it to work with your error workflow in another workflow, you go to the workflow that you want to set up your error workflow in. You come up to these 3 dots up here, come down to settings, and you just come over to where it says error workflow, and you just set it to the bot. So in this case, mine's set bug report to email. You hit save, and now it's good to go. So this live production bot, anytime it errors, it's going to go ahead and send me an email. And so that is the error trigger node, and hopefully this helps. It's really cool. It's a great little option to be able to find out when something broke in advance without, like, I have all kinds of bots running, and like sometimes they just don't work. And like, I'm very thankful that I have these notifications, and I get all mine in like a nice daily report. So I have another workflow for myself. I get all my errors in one big report. I don't want a billion emails coming in. But if you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. It really does help. If you want additional helpful n8n tutorials or workflows, please join my free school community. The link is in the description down below. If you want additional helpful n8n tutorials or more workflows for n8n, please join my free school community. The link is in the description down below. As always, I'm Bradford Carlton. Let's automate your success together.